These tiny words of one or two syllables we often use could get a little challenging for a non-native English speaker, even so for them, right? But I can assure you, with the easiest language on earth, you won't have to panic. Let me show you what it's like before you think I'm lying or bragging. Let's go! En aller, en aller.
L'Anba, Creole la sérive, now you can break up. Your melody is your plan, qui est grand.
Hello, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Welcome back to Langpam. My name is Lionel or LP. At, in, and on. If you wonder what we're talking about today, this video is about the prepositions. And if you like what we're doing, please do not hesitate to subscribe, share our videos, and give it a like. Thank you. At, in, and on, they are not so simple as they look, right, my Americans? But for Haitian, this is how they go. When at is a preposition of place, like at the mall, at the airport, we use na, although na could literally be translated by in. Example, in the car, na machine na, with the first na being the preposition and the second na is the article. So for at the mall, na marché central la, na marché ya, or at the airport, na airport la, sometimes we could omit the na totally. We omit the preposition in Haitian Creole depending on what we're saying. And remember that Creole parler, Creole comprendre. If you say li airport la, depending on context, what we're like talking about. Li airport la. Where is Tijo? Li airport la. I know what you mean. He's at the airport. Li airport la or li na airport la. Alright? No mistake there. That's the beauty of Haitian Creole. I'm telling you, easiest language on earth. Alright, so what we see so far is that for na, it could be in and it also could be at. So let's do it backward. For at and in, we only use na. Na. And it's not the na article, it's the na preposition. And that na is always gonna be placed before the noun. And if there's an article, remember that will be placed after the noun. For at, in, on, under, between or behind, these are preposition of place. We're going to show you what we use and give you one example for each. All right, let's go. All right, we've seen an example for at and for in the car, at the airport. We use na airport la, na machine na. And now for on the table, we use sous. Sous, it's like, if you speak French, it sounds like under, but for Haitian, it's on. It's not under. Okay? Don't get confused if you're a French speaker and you listen to that. I mean, that's Creole. Sous table, sous cabane, on the bed, not under the bed. Sous, it's on, or we use Anwo, or sous. Now for under, we say Anba, and for on, we say sous or Anwo. Anwo, Anba. Anwo, Anba. Under the bed, Anba kabanlan. For between, we say entre, and it comes from entre, which is French. Between the chairs, entre chez you. For behind or behind. I don't really care, and that's the difference between other languages like English and the easiest language on earth. So for behind, a French said derrière, derrière, we say dèyè. It's dèyè. All right? So, behind the door, dèyè porte là. For beside or next to, we say à côté or bon côté. Like, sit next to me. Sit beside me. Chita bon côté. Come sit next to me. Vin chita bon côté. All right, I know it's a new language. I don't want you to feel overwhelmed. I am going slowly, short videos, and also, don't give you too much content because I also want to get to the habit where I can be consistent with this lesson. So I'm gonna stop here. The prepositions of time will be our next video. So if you like what we're doing, please do not hesitate to subscribe, share our videos, and give it a like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.